So right here is the dark side of vinyl. This is what happens if you have a vinyl wrap that is either left on way too long or the material is not good to begin with. So something that we see coming up a lot in the market is all of these materials from overseas that have really cool colors and really cool finishes. Nobody really knows what's gonna happen when you go to remove it 2 years from now, 3 years from now. Anyhow, I'm not sure if this was a material that was like that or if this was just left on too long, but this vinyl is coming off in very small pieces. Every method, because I know some of you are gonna comment and tell us we should do this or use theme, we know. It doesn't work. Sometimes it just doesn't work. So this is just, we're just picking it off very, very slowly. This is gonna be getting rewrapped with a high quality material that hopefully won't do this if it's removed in time. Welcome to What's in the Shop. We're here in the LATROBE shop. It's Wednesday. We're gonna take you behind the scenes. Besides the vinyl project, we've got a BMW M440. This belongs to our good friend, Wes. Done lots of work with Wes, one of my favorite customers, really good dude. Super, super car enthusiast, which is what we like to deal with. This is getting stealth wrapped, so you guys have seen it a million times, but if you haven't, this is gloss, this is the factory finish of the car, this is stealth. This is what we're changing it to. So it's clear, allowing the factory color to show through, but a satin finish. On the lift, we've got Aaron working on a ZL1, not his ZL1 though. His is finally done, stealth wrapped, ready to get its butt whooped at pit race by a GT4.
Not even going.
Eventually. I can't make it to this year's, but maybe next year. Anyhow, this ZL1 is getting paint protection film on the front end, the rocker panels, the entire rear quarters. So lots of film going down on that one. And this Challenger TA actually belongs to Tyler's dad. We did some paint protection film on the front end and rocker panels. And there's two ways you can go when you're dealing with stickers. You can go over top of the factory decals. The problem is if you're only doing the front end, it would turn these decals glossy. That's a problem for obvious reasons. So what we do is remove the factory decal, lay the film down, reinstall the decal. So that's what happened on this one. It's also getting ceramic coated, so it's next in line for that. And Tyler's working on a GT500. This is an annual inspection, right, Tyler? Beautiful car. Over here, we've got an interior and exterior ceramic coating Caleb's been working on. And two motorcycles. Starting to see those come out since the weather in Pennsylvania is finally breaking. Ceramic coatings on both of these, right? And paint protection film on that one. Premium coating, okay, cool. So an 8-year coating on this bike, doing a full polish on it first, of course. Tint bay, Terrell's tinting it in Acadia. Hey guys, if you own a microphone company, we really need a sponsorship here. We've got a couple different microphones to make this happen. Anyhow, outside we've got a Nissan Murano. This belongs to Tyler. And Tyler's learning to vinyl wrap with us. So he's doing our prep work and also learning to vinyl wrap, doing an excellent job. And this was his first full wrap. This is on his own car. And if I'm being honest with you guys, it looks better than most of our competitors do, and it's the first one he's ever done by himself. But all right, right beside that's my Hellcat Red Eye. Looks really familiar, like another Hellcat Red Eye. You guys probably don't know this yet, but my last one was stolen. So I went to dinner, and when I came back, my car was gone. So this one's the new one. It looks basically the same, except this fender flare is popping out. Why? Fixed. Dodge stuff. Tinted the windows, stripped and retinted the windows on this. We're doing a full 10 mil wrap just like on the last one, ceramic coating, all that fun stuff. Sad day, sad day. Honda Pilot, this one looks like it was here for tint. Next to a Supra that got some paint protection film. Our loaner car, making a rare appearance. If you guys don't know, we have a free loaner car service available to you. If we're doing ceramic coating or paint protection film, you can take that home with you for free. That way you don't have to rent a car or whatever. Z06 Carbon Track Pack Edition. This one's got the carbon fiber wheels. This is from our friend Doug. This is the 3rd or 4th Corvette. We're doing a full wrap ceramic coating. We already tinted the windows on it. Cool car. You guys are sick of seeing this 911 by now. It's still curing. As soon as it's done, probably another week or two, we're gonna be putting film on that. And right beside it is the NSX that was the worst nightmare of a PPF removal that we have ever dealt with. The film is off. Now it is time to start reapplying. So this one's getting a full hand-cut, custom-cut paint protection film wrap. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you want to learn more about the products that we offer, check out this video. We'll see you next week. We can't check in with the other two because we're too freaking busy everywhere. Thanks a lot for watching.